Authorities in central Vietnam are on high alert as heavy rain continues, with localities urged to closely monitor flooding, provide timely warnings, and evacuate residents from high-risk areas. Rescue teams and equipment are being readied for emergency response, while strict measures are in place to protect dams, dikes, and reservoirs. Schools may suspend classes depending on local conditions, and aid, including food, water, and medicine, is being rushed to affected communities to ensure no one is left hungry, cold, or without medical care. Ministries and agencies are mobilizing resources to restore transport, repair damage, and help residents quickly resume normal life. Torrential rains have caused severe flooding across central Vietnam, with Hue recording the heaviest rainfall in the country's history over the past 24 hours. Water levels in the Bo and Huong rivers have surged above the alarm level 3, inundating large areas of the city. Overnight, the Hue Central Hospital carried out an emergency evacuation, moving patients and medical equipment to higher floors as floodwaters rapidly rose. In Da Nang, relentless rain has triggered hundreds of landslides, severing key roads and isolating thousands. Across the central and central highlands regions, rainfall exceeded 100 millimeters and even 200 in several areas. Authorities have issued flash flood and landslide warnings for 327 communes and wards as downpours persist. Heavy rain and rising river levels have caused severe flooding in Hoi An ancient town and the surrounding areas of Da Nang City. Local authorities are racing to evacuate residents and thousands of tourists to safety as the water levels continue to rise.
By late afternoon, areas along the Tu Bon and Vu Gia rivers in Da Nang were submerged, with severe commutes completely cut off due to fast-moving floodwaters. Access to many locations remains extremely difficult. Residents rush to move their belongings, while Hoi An authorities mobilize boats and vehicles to evacuate tourists from flooded areas.
This is the peak tourism season in Hoi An ancient town. During flood prevention, the safety of residents and tourists is our top priority. That's why evacuation plans are always prepared and prioritized.
While some visitors have chosen to stay and experience the flooding in the old town, authorities continue to go door to door to assist and guide people out of danger zones. With heavy rainfall persisting upstream and hydropower dams releasing water, flooding in Hoi An is expected to worsen. Local officials are maintaining a full alert and reinforcing evacuation measures to ensure everyone's safety under every circumstance.